here's our video for the 10 benefits of multimedia and ICT for the 21st century. Before we start, let me ask you something. How many of you can survive a whole day without your phones? No messages, no Wi-Fi, no Google. Exactly, that's because multimedia and ICT are already parts of our daily lives. From chatting with friends, watching videos, doing homeworks, and even trying assignments in the last minute. Kaya nga, let me show you the 10 benefits of multimedia and ICT that proves our gadgets are not only for entertainment, but also helpful when it comes to 21st century.
Number 1, improved communication. ICT makes communication easier through message, videos, email, and social medias, even if we are far from each other.
Number 2, makes learning more engaging. Multimedia uses video, image, animation, and sounds that make lessons more interesting and easier to understand.
3. Provide easy access information. With the internet, we can quickly search information anytime, anywhere. Hindi natin kailangan pumunta sa library araw-araw.
Number 4, supports online education. Students can attend online classes, submit activities digitally, and watch recorded lessons, perfect for modern learning.
Number 5. Enhance creativity. Multimedia lets students express their idea through video, presentation, graphic, and digital art. Pwede rin natin ma-explore ang creative side natin.
Number 6. Improves work efficiency. ICT tools help people finish tasks faster using computer, software, and online platform. Mas mabilis ang trabaho at assignment.
Help in skill development. People can learn new skills like video editing, graphic design, and coding using ICT. Lalo na yung mga skills na makakatulong sa future.
Number 8. Encourage collaboration. Group work is easier using online tools like shared documents, chats,
Go!
video meetings.
Support business and jobs. ICT helps business advertise online, communicate with customer, and create more job opportunities. Nakakatulong sa ekonomiya at career.
Prepare us for the future. Knowledge of multimedia and ICT is important to our future career in the modern and digital world. It helps us to prepare and challenges ahead.
Ayan na, that's all the 10 benefits of multimedia and ICT sa ating mga tao. Always remember that multimedia and ICT is always there to save the day, every day. And also, multimedia and ICT makes our life easier, faster, and definitely less boring. Hanggang sa muli, babush!